Are you having fun? We gotta sit down? Can you sit down? Good job. Zeb. That's a ball. 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 You're going to tip that over. Ball. Ball. You saying the B part. Go get it. Go get the ball. You're going to fall. You okay? Silly bathtub. Hey, Zebediah. Zeb, where's your nose? Zebby. Hey. Zebby. Zebediah. Hey, mister. Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Belly button, where is it? Yeah, that's your belly button. Belly button. Don't fall over. You gonna show me your belly button now? Zeb, come over here. You gonna show me your belly button? Where is it? Belly button. Where is it? I'm gonna get it. Zebediah. Where's your ear? Ear. Good job. Zeb, where's your nose? Where's your nose? I lost you, didn't I? Zebby, where's your nose? Is this your nose? Is this your nose? Nose. That's your ear. That's your ear. I want your nose. Can you point to your nose? How about your belly button? Belly button. Where is it? I'm going to get it. Belly button. Where'd your ball go? It's over there. Go get your ball. It's over there. Wow. Whoa, Zebby. You scared Mama. Zeb. Now we're going to go get the ball. Come here. You got it, didn't you? Good job. Zebediah. Can you make noises? Uh-oh.